Hello and welcome to this video. Today we will make our own very first PHP web service. You will see it's quite simple, easy to learn. So, as I said before, all you have to do to write a PHP web service is to use a text editor, which we will be using Sublime Text 2. In any PHP document or PHP web service, you have to know the basic concepts of PHP. Like, if you wanna write any PHP document, there are some syntax you have to write before you do anything in PHP. It goes like less than question mark PHP and question mark greater than. There you have it. This any PHP language or syntax or any web service or anything, it must be between this and this. If anything goes under this, it will not be executed. All you have to know when you're writing a PHP document, you have to write the less than sign question mark PHP and question mark greater than, and that's the basic concept in PHP. The second concept in PHP, do you remember back in C++ when we used to when you want to print something to the console, we used to see out something something and semicolon. And in Java we used to system.out to print something semicolon. Well, in PHP, if you wanna write something to the web, it's similar to this concept. All you have to do is type echo something and semicolon, and when the web service or this PHP document get executed or called, it will write something to the web. And this will be our very first web service in PHP. So let's save it. Control S. Let's go to the desktop. We can create folder called services actually, and inside this we will type first web service, or let's say first web, and don't forget to type .php so it will not be stored as a file without any extension. So there you have it. This is our very first PHP web service. It does nothing except type or print the something to the web. And oh, one more thing. There are something else used to print anything to the inside the PHP web service. It's called print something else. The print does exactly the echo, but it depends about what you wanna type, what you wanna print on the web service, on the web. So you have to use echo or print. And in the upcoming videos, we will see what's the difference between echo and print. That's it for this video, and I will see you in the next video.